નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. Adarsh Education Society welcomes you all here. Now we'll move ahead for the next. Next means fourth sentence. He waited for her with a bouquet of roses at the airport. You see here, he waited. Think for this. He is equal to subject waited for we. He waited for her. Her is equal to with what? With what is equal to a bouquet of roses that indicates connection with oven. If it is used on place of oven, naturally this is a noun phrase. Why is it? So it is used as a subject or as an object of the sentence. Minimum structure of the sentence is plus V plus O structure. If it is used on the place of subject, it's a noun phrase. If it is used on the place of object, naturally that's a noun phrase. Next to that, we will move ahead with the fifth one. What's there? There are in all 5 hurdles in this race. You see here, in this race is the underlying phrase. Think for the initial word of the phrase, that is in. What is in? In is equal to preposition. Whenever the phrase starts with a preposition, that is always prepositional phrase. When a cluster of words means a phrase contains preposition initially, that is known as a prepositional phrase. And so that in this phrase is a prepositional phrase. Next to that, he was talking about leaving for abroad. Think it, he was talking. This is what, this is we. This is subject. Think it, subject plus he was thinking about what? He was thinking about this. But this phrase starts with about. What is in? What is about? They both are preposition. And so that, what is this? Both are prepositional phrase. Got the idea? Now we will go ahead with the 7th sentence. He was looking forward for your help. Here, this underline is not given in your textbook. I have made it. This underline is given. He was looking. You see here, was looking is used here on place of verb. Generally, as a verb, we are having one word only, but here 1 plus 1. It means cluster of words are used here on the place of verb, so that this is known as verb phrase, or this is also known as phrasal verb. Keep it in your mind that whenever we are having more than one word on place of verb, that is known as verb phrase or phrasal verb. Okay? Next to that, he will be selecting. This is not given in your text. I have made it. He will be selecting medicine as his specialty. This as his specialty is given. You see here, this phrase starts with preposition. Naturally, this is preposition phrase. Keep it in your mind. I have made another underline with this. He will be selecting. What will be the result? He will be selecting is equal to one word, another word, another word. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3 words are there on place of verb. So that once again, this is a verb phrase, or this is also known as phrasal verb. Got the idea? Now we will move ahead for ninth one. See here, the pirates. Those will come for the robbers. The pirates could see the boat. What they could see? The boat. The boat is over. Think how the boat was. The boat was with the black soil. It means here in your text, this is underlined phrase with the black soil. With the black soil, this phrase is directly connected with the boat. What is the boat? Boat is equal to the first object. Hence, this cluster of words modifies, qualifies object. What will be there? On place of object, there will be a noun. So that this is what? Adjective phrase. According to the definition of adjective, if a word qualifies or modifies noun, that word is known as an adjective. Same word, same thing. In place of word and phrase. When a phrase qualifies or modifies the noun, that is known as adjective phrase. Here also it is written, when a cluster of words modifies noun. Where noun will be? Noun can be on place of subject or it can be on place of object. Hence it is proved that this is adjective phrase. Whenever, what phrase? It is also known as a phrasal verb. As a verb, when a cluster of words are used, it is known as a verb phrase. This we have already completed. If it is used on the place of subject or on the place of object, that's a noun phrase. Now also we have completed prepositional phrase when a cluster of words means a phrase contains prepositions initially, that is known as a prepositional phrase. Got the idea? Now we'll go for the next. Last one. Will you fill out the form in black pen, please? We are not concerned here with this. Leave it. Structure is interrogative sentence. Leave it. The underlined words are in black pen. Think here. This phrase starts with preposition. Here only it's written, when a cluster of words means a phrase contains preposition initially it is used. Naturally, this is prepositional phrase. Very simple idea, very simple idea. Here we have completed all the 10 sentences, underline phrase, all the phrases, underline all the phrases we have identified. One more example I'll give you here. I have used here the dark blue pen, I have used here the dark blue pen. Both the underlined sentence, two sentences are different, but underlined phrase remains same. The dark blue pen, the dark blue pen. It means this is what, equal. It's not like that. One more thing I'll tell you. This is a noun phrase. This is also a noun phrase. Very simple. But how we will judge it? Here also I have written. When adjective phrase is there, it is used with subject or object. But when noun phrase is there, it is used as a subject or as an object. Think it. Blank is my choice. Is my choice. What is this? It is used on place of subject. Students like, what students like? This is over. This is object. This is subject. At the place of subject. At the place of object. On both the places, I have used the same phrase, but here it is on the place of object, here it is on the place of subject. Whatsoever it is, both the sentences are the best examples for noun phrase. Once again, in short, I will tell you, keep it in your mind. Noun phrase on place of subject or on place of object. Verb phrase can be minimum 2 or more than 2 words at the place of verb. Adjective phrase, it is used with subject or with object. Prepositional phrase, initially it starts with preposition. And last one I tell you that we have also completed, and that is a verb phrase. If a phrase is additional to the verb, if a phrase is additional to the verb, that is known as adverb phrase. Got the idea? Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.